to my Parallels windows and show you a tool that I've been using. Let's see if this works. Alright, here we are. Alright. 494 seconds to wait, but that's, what is that, 10 minutes? Let's see what the other one's doing. But you can see how this tool looks. I'm posting to 180 groups. I'm posting a post every 45 to 60 seconds. So it'll do 5, it'll do 1, then 45, 60 seconds do another one, and once it gets to 5, we'll take a 10-minute break. Here's where I put my text. Here's where I put my URL. Groups. This is and you can see here this little tab here. I click on that, and it shows me all the groups, or well, all the ads that I have. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ads loaded for this one poster that I'm using here. I'm using 2 at a time now. You could post URL with photo, single photo, or random. You can see you can do random photos, single photo, no photo. Here you can do post text only, no URL, photo, or you just post a text. Hey guys, what's up? You can post a URL with no photo, just post a photo, no URL, or URL with photo, which I always do because here's where you load your photo, and this is where you load the text doc that you get from your gather groups here to post to those groups. And let's see if this other one will populate up. See what happens here. I'm using like I said, I'm using a Mac with a Parallel, and it's 300 seconds out. I was hoping that they would be populating. Let's see if there's an ad down here. I'll show you what it looks like. Anyways, here I am right here. When it posts an ad, oh God. All right, let's keep it right there. Stupid machinery. Anyways, here we are. This is the text that it will load automatically for you, the URL, and a picture. It'd be great if it let you do video, but it is what it is. But it is nice to be able to have a picture in your ad, because a picture is 1,000 words. I was using a poster that came out. It was out for like maybe 2 weeks. It was called Toolstar. I don't know if you got hooked into that like I did, but it was letting you do picture, video, and text. You can send a text with a picture. You can send a text with a video, and it was great. We were like, "Yay! You can do video marketing on Facebook now with a poster." But what happened is those idiots that built it didn't have these parameters where you could, set yourself up where, I'm only posted 5 every 1 to 2 minutes with this one, and I'm taking a 15-minute break. And the reason I'm doing that with this one is because this is a brand new Facebook account. Because of Toolstar, my main account that I've had since 2007, which is considered a legacy account, with over I have 5,000 members in it, friends, and I have 1,000 people following me. And here I am. I thought I could do whatever I want, and bam, I got shut down until May 1st from posting in groups. Well, I'm an internet marketer. I mean, that killed me. And I didn't know what to do. So I started researching, and I found this guy, Sean Walters, who makes this Facebook group poster. And he just, this thing is just outstanding. All right, so you got your start, stop, pause buttons here, close it. CAPTCHA, what this is, you can use Death by CAPTCHA. That's what I use. There's like 3 other ones you can use. There's 4 total, but I use Death by CAPTCHA. So certain URLs that you want to use, like JVZoo. If you use JVZoo, I do. They have some great products, and they got a good affiliate program. When you go to post their link in certain groups, you'll get this warning of this is considered a spam URL. It won't be, blah blah blah. They just won't let you put it in. So you use Death by CAPTCHA, and it spins it, and so you can do that. And this is a really good tool to use. Let's see here. Minimize that down right there. Let's see where this one's at. This one's at 276 seconds. We're better off waiting. I want you to see how this posts. So we're going to wait 128-27 seconds here, and I'll just talk to you guys while we're doing it. But while this is going on, let me show you over here. You can join groups. You can join groups by Facebook user. You go and you get, you know how you have your Facebook URL and there's that backslash, and then you'll have your name or a bunch of numbers or whatever. It'll be like mine is like I see here. I'll show you. Let's see if this comes up. You can see here. This one right here is has like Brody.Mansfield. That's the Facebook username. It's not what you would think it would be. And then you put your email address in, and then your Facebook password, and you can save this profile. I got 2 profiles saved on this. I'm running only 2 Facebook accounts right now. I have 4, but like I said, I have 2 got shut down. This is actually my son's. He helps. He does the affiliate marketing with me. He just turned 18, and this is his first gig, and he's doing pretty good. I'm watching it for him tonight. He's actually made 2 sales on this Facebook group poster that he's running. It's pretty much all he's doing right now is this and MCA. And because he bought the Facebook group poster like I did, it's 100% commission. So and it's only a one-time fee of $47. So when you sell it to somebody, you get a $47. So I mean, that's a pretty good deal for a pretty awesome tool. So this is where you load your information, and then you can, like I said, you join groups here. You can join by Facebook username or by groups or by a group list. I haven't done that, but I've definitely done the search term. I've done the user, and then you can how many seconds you want to wait to join the group or minutes, because you know Facebook monitors that too with their algorithm. How many members in the group that you want to join, and I usually do about 450, 500 and up, you know, because usually the newer groups of people that are brand new to marketing are sometimes in those groups, and that's who I kind of target, is people who are new to internet marketing, and try to get them to understand that they have to have the proper tools to succeed. You know, you just can't do it manually. You know what I'm saying. And then you come here, and this is where you gather groups, and you can see this one was done earlier. 182 groups were gathered out of his 288 that he has, because he only did the open groups. And he titled his text document. You use a text document, so you create a text document over here. You see them all. They're all text documents, and you just right click on your mouse, and you go down here to new, and then this will pop. It's going to go slow. And you go down here and you click on text document, you create a text document, and then you load it up in here, and then it will go to your Facebook page, which you can see my Facebook page, his Facebook page is down here, and it will load all the groups. And you can do open groups, or you can do all groups, which is pretty cool. And then it has a post bump feature here. Let's see if this comes up. This is pretty cool too. This post bump feature, if I can get it to come up. We got a few more seconds to wait to see how this it will show you exactly how this populates onto the screen. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, right. So post bump. Select the post bump option. Post bump with comment. Post bump with comment removed. Let's see. You can set your time for each bump. You can do number of bumps, then take a break. Then how many minutes you want to take a break, and then you put your And you can extract exact name in Facebook or person. This is where I can come down here and I can use Floyd Jr. and put his information in there, and it will actually post as he posted it. It's pretty cool. And then you put your groups list here that you want to bump it to. And then he's got this over here. I really didn't want to click on Floyd T. Jr., but I would take his name here, just like it's spelled, and stick it there. Uh, let's see if this comes up. You have to actually load a group. You get all the information from groups, members, data too, if you wanted to. I haven't really messed around with that because I use a different tool for collecting group member. It's called the Facebook Group Snatcher. It's a little bit easier. It's simple. It was only $17. But here, let's watch this. This is going to be a few seconds. We'll see how. Make this full screen, and we'll see. We'll watch how this. We got 20 seconds, and as soon as this shows, I'll show you how this actually posts. I'm going to end this video because I'm on Google Hangouts, and I'm using, like I told you, a Parallel for my Mac, and it doesn't run the best. But these group posters are awesome. Like but here's the thing about the group poster, this Facebook Groups poster, you have to have Windows. It doesn't run on the Mac operating system, unfortunately. That's why I got a Parallels, Windows unit going on, an old Windows 7. Here we are. We got 1 second here. Let's see. And you'll watch right here in the screen. This is where the information will be loaded. And yeah, here we are. It's clearing logs. See, it tells you its status right there. And you can see I've posted to 44 groups a day. I'll run 5 ads. And like I said, this is a newer Facebook account. So I'm taking a 15-minute break between my 5 ads, because I don't want to get put in Facebook jail again. So by doing this, it keeps me safe. Facebook, thinks I'm taking my time. I'm not in a hurry. So here we are. We're gonna start. It's gonna start right here. You'll be able to see it. Yeah, it's repopulating here. Oops. What happened? I didn't mean to scroll. I want you to see this. And it's gonna move a little slow for me because of this. I got an iMac that I bought in 2010. I'm still using it. It's it's got 500 gigabytes, but I pretty much have it filled. I need to go get me a terabyte. I need to get a PC is what I need to get. I like my Mac though. It does great videos. All right, so you can see it's already populated. Here's the picture. It puts the picture in first, and then it's gonna put the text in, and then the URL, and you'll see here in a minute. And if you already have Windows, it runs a lot smoother and a lot faster because my son has a PC with Windows 8, and he has a terabyte with 8, has an 8 gigabyte RAM, and it just blows it out. I'm using 4 gigabyte RAM with a half a terabyte, and plus I'm on a parallel system, so you can see it puts all that information in there for you. You get to watch it live as it's happening. You can monitor everything that's going on your Facebook account while it's doing it. Or you can just go ahead and minimize it and let it go on autopilot. So there it goes. You can see it right here. Here's the post right here. Of course, it fell into the pin post. Most groups pin their post, but the guy who owns the post, I just want to get it square. But you can see how it did it. This is a great tool, this Facebook Groups poster. And there it is. There's the ad. That's the ad it produces. You couldn't ask for a better ad. Would it be great if it did video? But it doesn't. And he might, because this is version 2, and there's some ads. He added the CAPTCHA, for those URLs that are deemed spam. So, anyways, let me go ahead and close this, and let me see. I'm gonna go back to his post groups here. There you go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and minimize that. So, let me go back over to. There we are. Anyways, that's the Facebook group poster. And it's by Sean Walters, and it's only a one-time fee of $47. And like I said, if you buy it, you get to sell it for $47. He lets you sell it for 100% commission. I mean, that's pretty outstanding. So, check it out. Sean Walters' Facebook group's poster.